Salve te omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 4. Ille dies primus leti primusque malorum causa fuit, neque nim specie famave mevetur, nec iam fortivum dido meditatra morum, conjugium vocat hoc praetexit nomine culpam. That day was first the cause of destruction, and first the cause of evils. And 4. Dido does not or is not moved movetur in appearance or by rumor. And now Dido does not design secret love. She calls it marriage. By this name she hides the blame. So this passage is discussing how Dido is acting after the unofficial marriage ceremony in the cave. Basically, Dido and Aeneas are having an open affair. As you can see here, Dido she does not now design secret love. This is just a convoluted way of saying she is open about the relationship and she's not making an effort to hide it from the people of Carthage. So she and Aeneas are spending their time together and they're having an affair. But Dido doesn't see it as an affair. She calls it marriage. Because of the unofficial ceremony in the cave, she believes they are married. And we have an idea of what Dido's calling it. Dido's calling it marriage, and she's hiding the blame by this name. But we don't have what Aeneas is doing. Aeneas is not mentioned here. He's not with Dido. We don't have a plural saying Aeneas and Dido call it marriage, or Aeneas and Dido hide the blame. So it seems like just Dido is thinking that it's marriage here, and Aeneas probably is just thinking that they are having a relationship. Now up here we have it saying this day was first the cause of destruction and first the cause of evils. So this is saying that their unofficial marriage, the start of their relationship, is evil and it's going to lead to bad things. And Dido, she's not being affected by the rumors, she's not being affected by what people say. And 4, she is not moved in appearance or rumor. So she doesn't care how it looks, and she doesn't care what people say.